Welcome to my channel. I am Tracy Reed and this is Acrylic Pouring with Friends. I hope you guys are all having a great day. In today's video, I am doing a swipe. I have not done one, it seems like forever, so I thought I would do a swipe today. So this swipe is for the February contest for my Facebook group, which is also called Acrylic Pouring with Friends. And the only rules, I don't really have a lot because I don't want to make these contests, have too many rules or too many stipulations. This one is kind of basic. It's going to be a swipe and we're using reds and pinks. You can also use accent colors like white or black, and those would probably be for your swipe color, or like I'm going to be using a mixture, a custom gold that I mixed up using just a bunch of different colors. I think it's got bronze, 24 karat gold, and copper from 𝗸𝗚𝗏𝗏. I had a little bit of each left, so I put that in there. So that's the other thing. So not too many rules. Swipe using reds and pinks, and then you can have your accent colors. So that's pretty easy peasy. All right, so I'm gonna go over the colors that I am using, and I'm going to start off with coating my canvas with Soho Alizarin Crimson. It is such a nice deep red. It's one of my favorites to use. I really love it. The next color that I've got is from ℸ𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 Decor Metallics, and it is berry. And then I have got from Liquitex Basics Quinacridone Magenta. This color that's in my bottle here is Liquitex Basics Medium Magenta, and that was the last of it, and I forgot to save my tube, so that's what that one is. And then, like I said, I do have the gold mixture there. And then, let's see, what do I have? Oh, I have Pebeo Iridescent Blue Violet. Now I know that I said pinks and reds, but this one is pretty pink, so we're gonna go with that. And I'm not in the contest. so there you go. And then this one here is from Amsterdam, and it is pearl red. And then my swipe color that I am using is, where is it? It's in my bottle here, and it is golden carbon black. Now, I'll go over my recipe for my swipe, or my cell activator, I guess. And the way that I mix it is I take 1 teaspoon of the paint, and in my case I'm using, again, the golden carbon black, and I mix it with 3 tablespoons of Amsterdam Floetrol. So 1 teaspoon to 3 tablespoons. There's no need for water. It mixes up very nice, and the consistency is really good. So for those of you that either can't get the Amsterdam Australian Floetrol, excuse me, and don't want to spend, because it's pricey, so you don't want to spend that, there's a substitution. So what you can do is you can use the regular American Floetrol and mix that with the same, so it's the same recipe, just making a substitution. So 1 tablespoon of your paint to 3 tablespoons of the American Floetrol. The only thing I do different is I add some pre-stained wood conditioner. So to that amount, I would put about 8 drops of the pre-stained wood conditioner. And this one is Varathane. Minwax makes one, it works good as well, so either one. And then also, as far as the paint, you can also use Amsterdam. I prefer the lamp black. That's just my preference, but Amsterdam works well also. So hopefully that will help some of you guys that are a little confused on, you know, American Floetrol versus the Australian Floetrol. That's really the only difference, is the pre-stain wood conditioner. There's some, that ingredient is in the Australian Floetrol for some reason. So hopefully that is helpful. And now I'm going to go ahead and get started. I've got my handy dandy swipe tools that I'm using today. I thought I would kind of coordinate with Valentine's Day. And then my husband printed me up some really cool little mini stir sticks. I got some red and black ones. And for those of you who want to really just touch base on this, over Christmas I had sent most of my orders, a lot of my orders had these mini stir sticks as a little free gift, because when we get low on our spool of our material, you can't really do a whole lot with it. So we make these, and I had a bunch of them, so I gave them out as free gifts. And I got quite a few people that did not know what they were. So for those of you that got those and don't know what they are mini stir sticks. I do carry them in bigger sizes as well. I can't find it. Let's see. I've got the 6-inch ones and the 8-inch ones as well. But I just thought that was, I got several messages about what are these, so I just wanted to let you guys know that's what they are. I know they look a little different. You know, you're used to, I also make the solid stir sticks. They're flexible. They work. I love these. They contour to the cup when you're stirring, so I really like these. But if you got this, you would probably know, oh, that's a stir stick. But the honeycomb ones, I think people were like, what are these? So there you go, if you were wondering. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and get started coating my canvas here. And all of my paints are mixed with my regular pouring medium, which is Liquitex pouring medium, Floetrol, and water. And I also have some golden GAC 800 in there. So that is my mixture, and it's mixed, let's see, 1 part paint to about 2.5 parts pouring medium. So that's the consistency that I am using. And I'm going to try to get this covered as best I can without wasting too much. All right, everybody, here we go with the dried photos, and I am loving how this dried. I love how the colors changed a bit, and I got some awesome detail. Hadn't done a swipe in a while, so I gave it a go, and I think I did pretty good on this one. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also don't forget, go check out my Facebook group, Acrylic Pouring with Friends, and join this month's contest. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed my video today. I've got a bunch more videos that I know you will enjoy as well, and I will catch you in the next one.